Hello students, welcome to the class. Today let's start chapter 11, Time. There is a boy whose name is Krish. Krish has missed his school bus again. His mother is very angry with him. Krish knows the cause of the problem, that he cannot read time from a clock. As a result, he gets still late, but he has made up his mind today. He will learn to read time and never miss his school bus again. In this lesson, you will learn about time. At the end of this lesson, you will use a clock to tell time, name the days of a week, name the months of a year, and you will able to identify the number of days in each month. Look at this clock. The visible side of this clock is known as its face. It has the dial, it has the dial, and it has the 12 equal division. The dial has the 12 equal division. These divisions are numbered from 1 to 12. The clock has two hands. You can see the clock has two hands. The shorter one is the hour hand. It indicates the time in hour, and the longer hand is the minute hand, and it indicates the time in minutes. There is also a third hand, this one, the red one. There is also a third hand. It is the thinnest and the longest hand of the clock, and it is called the second hand, and it indicates the time in seconds. Here in this clock you can see the minute hand is pointing to 12 and the hour hand is pointing to 8. So it means the time is 8 o'clock. The hour hand takes 1 hour to go from one number to the next. From one number to the next number, the hour hands take 1 hour, and the minute hand moves faster. The hour hand, this is the hour hand. It takes 1 hour to go from one number to the next number. Suppose here now the hour hand is at 8. It takes 1 hour. That is 60 minutes to go from one number to the next number. From 8 to 9 it takes 1 hour to go. Now the minute hands, this is a minute hand, and it moves faster than the hour hand. It takes 1 hour to go around all the 12 numbers of the clock, and it takes only 5 minutes to go from one number to the next number. Now in this clock, the minute hand is pointing at 12 and the hour hand is pointing at 8. So the time is 8 o'clock. Here the time is 8 o'clock, or you can write it as 8:00. Now let's do the exercise 11a. Write down the time shown by each of the following clock. Here write down the time shown by each of the following clock. See here this the minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 5. The minute hand is pointing to 12 and the hour hand is pointing to 5. So the time is 5 o'clock or 5:00. Here the minute hand is pointing to 12 and the hour hand is pointing to 1. So the time is 1 o'clock or 1:00. Now the minute hand in this clock, the minute hand is pointing to 12 and the hour hand is pointing to 9. So the time is 9 o'clock or 9:00. 0. Now here the minute hand is pointing to 12 and the hour hand is pointing to 6. So the time is 6 o'clock or 6 colon 0 0. Here the clock is given. You have to draw the hands of the clock to show the time. 7 o'clock. So the minute hand will be pointing to 12. We'll draw and 7. The hour hand will be pointing to 7. Now 10 o'clock. The minute hand will be pointing to 12 and the hour hand pointing to 10. Now 8 o'clock. The minute hand pointing to 8, pointing to 12 and the hour hand pointing to 8. The longer hand is the minute hand. We'll draw the longer hand for the minute hand and the shorter hand for the hour hand. Now here 2 o'clock. Now again the longer hand will be at 12 and the shorter hand will be 2. Now time in half hours. If the minute hand is at 6 pointing to 6 and the hour hand is between 6 and 7, so it will be half past 6. Okay, you'll write half past 6. Similarly in this clock, see, the minute hand is pointing to 6 and the hour hand is between 8 and 9. 8 and 9. So it is half past 8. Half past 8. The minute hand is pointing to 6 and the hour hand is between 12 and 1. So it is half past 12. Now here the minute hand is pointing to 6 and the hour hand is between 1 and 2. So it is half past 1. Now here the minute hand is pointing to 6 and the hour hand is between 4 and 5. So this is half past 4. Now look at the time below each clock and draw the hands accordingly. Half past 11. So the minute hand is pointing to 6 and the hour hand is between 11 and 12. Half past 12. The minute hand pointing to 6 and the hour hand between 12 and 1. 12 and 1. There are 7 days in a week. They are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So how many days are there in a week? Fill in the blanks. There are 7 days in a week. Friday comes after. See, Friday comes after Thursday. So here we write Thursday. Tuesday comes before. Tuesday comes before Wednesday. Tuesday comes before Wednesday. Sunday comes between Saturday and Monday. Thursday comes after Wednesday again. School remain closed on Sunday. School remain closed on Sunday. And what is the second day of the week? Tuesday. Months of the year. There are 12 months in a year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. 7 months have 31 days and 4 months have 30 days. February has 28 days. But in the leap year, February has 29 days. Leap year comes after every 4 years. January have 31 days. February 28 or 29 in leap year. March 31 days, April 30 days, May 31, June 30, July 31 days, August 31 days, September 30, October 31, November 30, December 31. July and August both have 31 days. Months have 31 days. January, March, May, July, August, October and December. Months with 30 days, April, June, September and November. March is the first, second, third month of the year. Third month of the year. June comes just after May. November comes just before December. 7th month of the year. What is the 7th month of the year? January, February, March, April, May, June, July. 1st January, 2nd February, 3rd March, 4th April, 5th May, 6th June, 7th July. April comes in between March and May. Dash comes just after February. What comes just after February? After February, March. Dash comes just before August. Which month comes just before August? July. Dash month of the year have 31 days. 7 months of the year have 31 days. What are those months? January, March, May, July, August, October and December. So you write the month's name, and here 7 months of the year have 31 days. In a leap year, February has 29 days. Last month of the year is December. Match the column. August. This comes just after July. Match with this. August comes just after July. May, a 3-letter word. February has less than 30 days. December, last month of a year. September, 9th month of the year. January comes just before February. The calendar given on the previous page and fill in the blanks. See here the calendar. How many days are in February? How many days are there in February? 28 days. So here write 28 days. Independence Day is on 15th August. On the calendar it is Independence Day is in August. It is on 15th. On the calendar Saturday. Here we write Saturday. Republic Day is on 26th January. On the calendar it is 26th January. On the calendar it is Monday. So here we write Monday. Teachers' Day on 5th September. On the calendar it is September. On the calendar it is Saturday. Gandhi Jayanti is on 2nd October. On the calendar it is Friday. On which days of the week do the following date falls? 21st February. 21st February. Saturday. 9 July. 9 July. Thursday. 30th November. Monday. 15th March. 15th March. Sunday. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.